Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Why don't you and me, we have a little talk about the like button down here? I hit it. I think you should hit it too. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Welcome to the family.
When you trade crypto and when the market starts to slide, labor hands up as prices go down. Where's the high market Ladies and gentlemen, if you're not in crypto right now, you are missing out on one of the biggest opportunities in your life. Hit that like button, join and subscribe, and enjoy Road Dog Crypto.
I wait for someone to save. I wanna tell you something new. You drove us both into a wall. I drive away into the night, and I contemplate for a while. I wish you all the best I can, and I stop myself for a while. I'm saying things I don't believe. The panic's rising up in you. Won't you tell me something new? Don't you think for the people the best we find back my stomach is sooner than this? Don't you think for the people the best we find back my stomach is sooner than this? Don't you wish I would have been someone else? I want to feel your gap without making a mess at you. Won't you tell me something new? I want to tell you something new. You drove us both into a wall. I drive away into the night, and I contemplate for a while. Don't you think for the people the best we find back my stomach is sooner than this? Don't you think for the people the best we find back my stomach is sooner than this? Don't you wish I would have been someone else? I want to feel your gap without making a mess at you.
Check.
Won't you tell me something new? Wish you all the best I can, then I stop myself for a while.
Check.
Chase your tail light. I'll be under your skin, letting you go for a while. Then I'm taking you in. Your face like diamonds, glimmer and punch.
I'm feeling lucky. How about most streets? Us two in these streets. Diamonds on my feet. Caught up in these talks.
Let us begin, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome. Welcome.
For those of you out there that have been hitting that like button, I should say thank you very much.
Below me, you might see a subtle advertisement for the Tangem ring. It's like you get 2 cards and a nice, well-built ring. Zirconium ceramic, if I remember right. The new Tangem wallet, always with you, all the time. Works with a smartphone. Most of your new phones will handle that. Very nice, very cool. Very safe, very convenient even, and even if somebody cuts your finger off and takes it, that would be horrible. This kids can't do nothing with it. Pre-order now with code DOG. Get 10% off. Let's get into what the market is doing. Welcome everyone to Late Night Crypto. Road Dog. We being chill as Bitcoin's trying to figure out what it's doing after this nice little pump over these past many hours. Nice comeback. You gotta give it to Bitcoin there. A little appreciation. That was quite a comeback there. Looks like you came above one of my trend lines. Well, we gotta look and see what that is. I like to catch them if they hold up there. It might be something good coming for. Oh, it is. It is. It's nice and juicy here. Nice and juicy here, doing what you shouldn't be doing. I like it. This is, I didn't say hell no, we don't want to come down here. We want to bust back into this trend line. If we pull that off, that could be good. Could be good. Looks like it wants to be good. Let's zoom out and see what the charts say. Were you just on a chart? I am. We hadn't really cleared it here on the daily level. Not as well defined here either. So let's give it a little break there. But looky here. Some of the indicators you might want to take a little note of is the green dot we got here. Now that can easily just disappear. It's not really confirmed until tomorrow, but it does look nice with the money flow in the green. Things are looking upward. On a Friday, you've always got to be a little suspect when we get those Friday pumps, right? They like to set us up on a Friday, get us bullish, then tear us down at one of these days, and within the next week. So we don't want to get too crazy, but seriously, on the real, I mean, it's a nice daily event. We just got to get past some other areas here. Now, if I were to fine tune this guy, would I get anything different? No, I wouldn't. We still got some milestones to cross here before we can really start feeling nice. But if we do cross those milestones, let's say here on the 4 hour, that milestone would be the 100 moving average. It would be the top of this Ichimoku cloud. It would be on the other side of the candle body open of this trend line. It would also be right above this line we got there. It's blue. I have to think that it's a measured move, unless I was just lazy. From somewhere, I don't know. Allow me to zoom out on the most recent chart that I've been following, mostly on small time frames. We've been over in the Telegram group that we've got here. I've been posting in the setups, and especially over in the chart student area, I've been following through with a little setup and just showing how I kind of when they work out. And some of the things that other people, was calling. A lot of people at the time, I know how they work. You would have heard some people calling, oh, it's a shoulder, head and shoulder to the downside, but it's not how you apply that there. And I was kind of pointing that out. However, there was this bigger one that was kind of popping off, but in the real, this rise up here disqualifying that. A rise above this shoulder right here disqualifies this one. A rise above this shoulder right here disqualifies this one, which it was technically disqualified. But the bigger pattern, and what I usually try to point out on my streams, is that, and this is a little part of it, it really is. This is the very topsy top.
But if you look at, if you zoom out and just connect the lines you got here where you got the most touches and look at what it gives you, that's a bearish megaphone. And that's really how she played out. She just hugged that trend line until she finally lost it. And we are where we are right now. But we just kind of followed that a little bit. So that's what we were kind of doing today. Can we get off of this and go back to Telegram? That's what I thought we were looking at anyway. Follow that bit by bit, moment by moment, setting the targets and nailing it. You didn't leave me right. We nailed it. I know she came down on the lower and stuff, but that was the main place she hung out and start bouncing back up from here. Oh, that's right. Bitcoin's up right now, right? And so that was the profits I got from the short. Wasn't very much. Started picking out my Lambo colors though. I figured if I can get a few more trades like that, you do that 10 times a day, you probably get a real nice little Lambo going on there. And then it was time to long this little baby. So started figuring out where she's going to come back and up and retest it. We just followed it along. That kind of stuff is over there. There are links in the description of this stream if you're interested in just hanging out where a bunch of cool kids do. No bots, no salespeople, no anything like that. Just a cool private community. Available only if you know about this channel and know about the group. But here we are following Bitcoin on the 15-minute time frame, and she wants to head right into this cloud, people. I mean, I'm just saying. She can recover. She might bounce off at this 50. She might have enough to do it, but the deeper she gets in the cloud, the less that possibility comes to out to play. I guess I need to clear this off. This is the one I mostly trade on anyway. I just like to see what's going on. When I'm zooming out though, see, that's just focusing on that tight little area, and that's a no-no. Because you'll get stuck there, man. You'll get stuck there. You'll get caught up in small time frames, and 15 is a small one anyway, and then you zoom in too much and you miss what's really going on, and that is we're breaking this trend line, baby. If you're shorting right now, you probably got something going on right now. Makes me want to come over to this FairDesk. Y'all didn't know FairDesk is they closing down for US people anyway. Seeing what I saw there, I'm going to jump into on the Degen over here on the 5 minute. Looks like a possible double top. I'm just gonna go ahead and open this little guy. Boom! Where are you? I got a small amount that I can't get off this exchange right now, and because it's below the limit, so I want to see if I can make it grow a little bit. And that's a very small amount there. Let's bump it up just a little bit. We're going to Degen tonight. This is money I am not afraid to lose, so. It is not very much, so. So we'll start her out there and see how she's cooking. There is something I was just thinking about before the stream. I've got the copy trade stuff over there. I think I still got bounce over there. If I find something really not cool on altcoins and they got it, I might take a Degen trade over there. So keep our eyes open for something that might be nice and juicy, going up or going down. But right now we're in danger of losing these areas here. And I'll tell you one reason, just on this chart, that I think there is a good call for it to come down. And other than us going into that cloud, this well, no, that's pretty. The 6 is above 800. That's actually good. The 360 and 200 are still down here. We should be headed right to this area. If we lose the 50, I would be looking at the 100 moving average normally. And then we got these guys. So about 61.8, something like that. If we look at that, if you want to take a measured move, that would get us right in those areas too. How's everybody doing tonight? Let me say hello to everybody in the chat. We'll get this show rolling. I've got some news to catch up on, and then we can start getting into some Degen charts. We got 13 people here now. Starting to wonder if we get anybody. So we're gonna do some news or something, let some other people trickle in, and then get into the charts and things like that. There's a pain in my brain. FairDesk is closing. Just heard the news. I'm at work. Hey man, I hadn't seen you in a while. Hey, good to see you. I always thought that was Chris. Yurthin, how's it going, man? Others looking good? Wait, let's see. Let's put you over on What a messy chart I got here. This is my Coinbase chart. Let's see. Others is she's at a place of resistance. She's going to have to fight through it. I think she can get a pullback myself. That's what I think. I think she can get tired up through here and pull back. But I mean, I think it's healthy if she does it. I'm looking at the 4 hour here. It's fair if I start out on the bigger time frame. Let's see what we got on the bigger one. I like to do it top down. If you don't do it top down, you're going to miss some stuff, and you don't want to miss some stuff. Technically top down, she lost in the area, and this might be considered a bear trap on the smaller time frame. We'll just connect what we got. That's cool. We broke this trend line. Definitely. That's good. 21 moving average giving us problems. Data's got the green dot on others right now, so altcoins should be looking nice and juicy. We might have a nice weekend to really look at those kind of things that kind of clue us in. This is one chart to do it, and it looks good, man. Ichimoku Cloud looks nice. It looks healthy. I'll say that. It looks healthy. Bounced off the 50, we're above the 9. My rule is if you're above the 9 moving average, if you're above the 9, you're doing fine. And now we can regain the 21, so we're making our steps to recovery day by day. Just believe. So that's cool. There will be ups and downs, of course, and little jig jags, and I'm wondering if there'll be any shenanigans going on over the weekend in some of these plays, but let's see how things. But it's looking good on the daily. 4 hour at resistance areas right here, and then of course levels that we've been up to before. Lots of sell pressure there. Ichimoku Cloud's not being helpful. That usually means kind of what's the word I'm looking for? Rangy, kind of. It could get turbulent here. So there might be a retest of this trend line coming back down since it broke out of it. That's quite normal to happen with these trend lines, especially triangle type breakouts, or even if you look at it as this a megaphone. That's a wide ass megaphone, though. I got to give it to you. If you're looking at it from levels, you might be seeing a double bottom form, and that's also another good level to see that we'll start getting some resistance here. Your level lookers will probably see a support resistance flip area right up here, just right above it too. In right here, it was resistance. Right here was support. Right here it was resistance again. It's likely to be resistance one more time. I'll color that a different color. So we should be getting a nice little. We might see some nice pumpy action this weekend. I don't know how sustainable it'll be right now. I mean, I don't think this is the move for all moves just quite yet at this moment in time. But I think we're really close. We are really close. And of course, the altcoin or the meme coins seem to be popping off a lot. Gotta get some bug juice. And I lost the chat. There you are, chat. Gearthin says, when's the next Apple Water stream? We had a lot of viewers. Oh man. That wasn't even ever. Was it ever? Yeah, it was kind of hinted at. That one got crazy. Probably not tonight. I wasn't drinking tonight. I've been eating a lot of Halloween candy today. So it's almost Halloween. So a few Snickers there and what, a pack of the delicious gummies that I found. And it wasn't really in the Halloween bag, but anyway, those were really cool. So I've been snacking, so I don't think I had too much sugar because I'm feeling kind of mellow, really, if you want to know the truth about it. All right, so it is time. Well, we're just waiting for, oh crap, now you had 13 and now you got 9. Well, I guess you got into this stuff in the board, people. I want to do the news real quick because that's what we said we were going to do. Try to do what you say you want to do. That's a good motto to live in life, Somto. Let's go to the newsroom because this is some altcoin alpha we're not really talked about. Oh, I got sound effects. Hey, good job, Sean. Sean's Degen portfolio is starting to look better than mine, and I'm starting to get pissed about it because I might have to let him do a show or something. I don't know. He's been doing some crazy stuff. We're doing the news now. Yeah, I forgot. Yeah, thank you. Jolly Green Gummies. As soon as I hit that right button, we will be all set to go. There we are, ladies and gentlemen. We got some news to go over. ETH has been seized and the Plus token scam has been transferred to exchanges over the last 24 hours. A little bit longer because this is old news, but it may not be to some of you. About $7,000, about 7,000 Ethereum of the remaining 542 ETH has been sent to exchanges, indicating intention to start selling the remaining tokens. Well, that's some fun. VanEck has launched VanEck Ventures, a $30 million early stage fund to invest in fintech, crypto, and AI startups. Stripe has announced that it is resuming support for crypto, launching Pay with Crypto, a service that enables payment in the stablecoin USDC. Aave, Trump's World Liberty Financial, has formally proposed to launch using Aave version 3 on Ethereum mainnet. World Liberty Financial will also tap Aave's reserve factor system to allocate 20% of the protocol's interest to the Aave ecosystem reserve. ENS Google has officially integrated ENS domains into its search capabilities. Anyone can now search for ENS domain in the Google search bar and view wallet balance. Go get doxed today. Pros Animoca brand has discovered that it intends to acquire additional pros from the open market. Binance will list Be in Seoul at October 10th, 8 p.m. That's like yesterday. This is sweet. DeepBook is a liquidity layer project run by Miston Labs and announced that Deep TGE will take place on October 14th with the release of DeepBook version 3. And Uniswap news, as users wait for the release of Uni version 4, Uniswap Labs will release a teaser of some. Now we're going to come over and we're going to catch up with what Layer GG has got to share with us. Oh, that's not you. Where did you go, Layer G? How did I mess you up? We're waiting for the other 50 people to show up. That's all. Here's his latest news. That's not it. Here's the latest news. Okay, so China announced an economic stimulus package on the 8th of this month, including an early injection of 100 billion yuan. However, it fell short of expectations as it did not propose a large-scale fiscal expansion policy. China scheduled a press conference on the expansion of fiscal policy for 1 a.m. UTC on the 12th. Aether announced the launch of the 100 million Aether ecosystem fund to accelerate innovation in AI and gaming. Meanwhile, Uniswap has announced Unichain, an Ethereum layer 2 built on the OP stack in collaboration with Flashbots. Coinbase International has announced the big time perp market, which will begin on October 17th after 9:30 a.m. UTC. The SEC charged Cumberland DRW as acting as an unregistered dealer in cryptocurrency trading. A charge that just seems like if it stays on its own trajectory, it's just gonna point its finger at all of us. World Liberty Financial plans to raise $300 million at a $1.5 million valuation through an initial token sale next week, according to a roadmap attained by the block. By the first money market fund that will be traded on the blockchain. Isn't that interesting? That would fill the gap for all the money markers that just got arrested. All the money maker No, I'm sorry. I got kind of crazy in there. It's the gummy stock. Athena announced that it's decided to, oh shoot, there you go, YouTube cut you. Athena announced it's decided to invest its 46 million reserve fund in a variety of tokenized assets. The investments be allocated to BlackRock Biddle, Mountains USDM, Superstates USTB, and Skies USDS. There's a lot of stable coins happening, huh? Guys, that was the news. Let's get back to the chart. Thanks for hanging out. Now we only got 6 people. Looks like y'all hate news. All right, we got all them out, right? Everybody's gone. All right, let's do all the cool stuff. Let's go Degen. Pull on Degen. Woohoo! Let's get the squares out. Pull the Degens out. All right, man, we gonna pull on them tonight. Meme cornies. Hopefully they got something over FairDesk because I'm gonna just bet the whole pot. We're gonna do some crazy stuff tonight. Woohoo! Completely coming on. I swear it ain't off the water. We're gonna. All right, nothing but the true guys. Let's see who are. Let's see who's left here. We got Random Trader. You're thin. It's like the stores now. We'll snack on those candies, so they'll start yelling out we stuff early. Yeah. Those that had apple flavored gummies. Happy Halloween. I still like Snickers though. Snickers, you can't beat a good Snickers, especially when you get hangry. All right, we need to go to a proper place and start looking at some proper meme coins. You are so prepared. You are so ready for this. Look, here we go. The worst daily performers, which might be the interesting ones to take a look at, since, you know, they're kind of rolling over and rolling back and forth. SPX 69,000. Oh, man, are you down? Harry Potter Bitcoin. Apus. I don't have any of that. MAGA is up. Peppy is starting to get up. Recently turned bullish is Peapods. Jim. Fun token. Sound like fun. Might be fun. This is my play. This is, oh, excuse me while I take profits. Sorry, guys. That's how it goes. Wrote my trend line there. I've got to get pick out of these about 25%. Just the rule of the game as I'm playing. I'm on a swap, so I don't have really control of this. I'm doing motion over on Solana, and because, well, it's been like way up here before. And I see that she can move, and she's done a nice big ass rounding bottom that I wasn't playing with. I know you don't really play with them in the deep, but you know we like the rounding bottoms because they do the right things. They just got all the jiggle in all the right places, and she's starting to jiggle up a storm here. Oh, right, taking profits. That's what I'm doing. Time to get paid. So I took some earlier with some limit orders that I had set up, you know, following these guys. Motion over on Jupiter Exchange. You can do that. And Jupiter is decentralized, and there's no KYC. It's what we like about this. This is where we're all headed, right? I think DEXs are going to get off the chain. No, they're going to be on the chain, but they're going to be a lot like, you know, when we get all the kinks figured out. At one point, we're not going to be able to tell the difference between how those and centralized exchanges, you know, how well they perform. It's going to be amazing, people, but we're not quite there yet. I'm going to take my profits into PayPal USD. Because why not? Oh, I didn't want to sell that. Yeah, I will. Yeah. I'll sell half on this one because I know you got some other orders. I know it's not. It comes out to 25%. There we go. Yay, baby. Wasn't so hard, was it? Get paid. So a lot of people out there FOMOing right now, and you're going to see me get happy and probably take some profits on a lot of things right now because I do have some orders. Other people are trying to buy in, and I'm actually selling out a little bit. Because, well, I mean, you gotta, right? That's how you play the game. So let me do one more swap here. I'm so sorry. Now we got 10 people. Did they come back? They aren't the same ones that left, are you? Because now we're getting into all the juicy stuff. It's for just the true Degens. The first part was just a smoke screen. Just a smoke screen. Now where I'm selling my meme coin. Because are you selling half? I don't want to see. Yeah, that's a good profit though, dude. You can buy more. I get paid. That's more than what I started. My meme portfolio is doing better than my regular projects, and it's pissing me off. So we may let Sean start running these streams. I don't know. He seems to be doing better than I am. Little freaking Degen. All right. Well, since we got that, you know what? Okay, so she's breaking my trend line. This is why I'm taking profits. She's done good, man. I've been in this one for a while, I'll be honest with you. I already moonbagged her when she came up through here, and then I just added more, and I've been playing it, and she's been doing good. And what started out as just, a couple $100 is like, okay. If this one starts doing as good as it did before, and it gets up to here, I'm going like, hell yeah. I'm starting to adore these meme coinies. So that's one that I've been looking at there. How many here have heard of smoking chicken fish? Do we have any smoking chicken fish people? Been looking at smoking chicken fish. I've been building a little bag of smoking chicken fish because I'm literally in a parabolic run, and I've kind of outlined it here with this. And if you look at that, we lost it, man. It's all over, but that's a very subjective line, so I don't let that dictate things. Looks like we had a trade set up that didn't play out. You suck, Road Dog. You gotta stop that. Well, alrighty then. Well, that idea's gone. Let's see what new ideas we can get. I still got it. I'm not stopped out. I'm building a bag on it because I think she's gonna go for curvaceous. This was, I guess it might be your first step of the cup and handy to the upside. It just come back. You're probably saying cup and handle suck. Well, no, patterns evolve is what happens. So once you get a breakout and things start transforming, and we start getting other things happening. And what I would like to draw your attention to is just kind of a zoom out. Now, some people might see this Adam and Eve formation, and that's a valid thing. We're not yet confirmed because we haven't broke up above the neckline here, or belt line, or whatever kind of line you want to call that. But it's also a nice big round shape. And the secret to the round shapes in my strategies and in my imaginary world I live in my head, this is how the world works when it comes to these guys, is that you get a squeeze, which comes in a triangle, and then you get an exit, which comes in one of these guys, and these guys are fun to play because it means it's time for smoking chicken fish to start making higher highs, and we're going to follow them right along this trend line. And it sounds crazy. Now this trend line can bust, but so far she's holding it. But we don't need to look at that so seriously now, do we? We need to look at the bottom one down here because we might have a range all the way down here, the 200 moving average, come all the way back down to 6 cents for smoking chicken fish. 6.6 could happen. Not saying that it will, but it can. They start playing with our emotions and everything on the weekend. But right now she could also bust up here, double in value around 17 cents because smoking chicken fish. Need I say any more? Smoking chicken fish. Now we got 9 people. All right, let's get all the squares out of here and let's go into some really cool coins here. On the memes. I guess the TA was too boring. Oh well. Well, this is what I do all the time, every night. I think smoking chicken fish is looking good. If you're in memes and the kind of pullbacks that we have would be good. For me, along this trend line is a pretty good place. The dotted one, if it holds, if it does come back here, of course, we're bouncing off our 618. Good chance to come up to about 14 cents. Good chance to come up just off the rip shot around 17 cents for a next target. So I like it. Smoking chicken fish. Get yours today. SPX 69,000. Looking at it, MXC. Oh, you having a good day already, ain't you? You don't have enough information on MX. What happened? Or you've been at MXC. You just started having good. Is it really? It's not only been that long? No. Well, this is not it. SPX 69,000. There we go. That was it too, wasn't it? We're going to look at it on BitMart. That looks more like the charts I'm Well, you are. It is that brand new. I think this one had some interesting tokenomics on it too, so it might be actually worth looking at it. I mean, okay, she came out new and she was going up and up. I really thought we had more chart history in this, but anyway, this one is still a boogie in. I just don't think it was listed on the exchange. So this is okay, and this is actually the one I'm playing, is Wormhole. This is what I'm playing over on Solani. And yeah, I've just been holding it to see what she does. This is against Solana though. SBX 69,000. One to put on your radar. Kind of up there too high to buy, but anything that pullbacks or any kind of pullbacks and breakouts would be a good thing. And she's the 2 hour, looks like she's ready to go parabolic right now. If you're a level player, then you're closing the candle above your level. There's an idea. Or it could be your inner Degen looking for that last entry idea. So if you're on the 2 hour, you've cleared it. And so if you're buying high to sell higher, there might be some, I'm just saying, this is not where I would want to get in, not where I want to get in, but it's not the worst place for a DJ, but definitely not the best either. Not the best. I think she's got a good chance to pull back somewhere through here. May not. Never any guarantees in this game. All right, SPX. I lost me list. Get me list. I'm so glad that this is going so smoothly, and all this technology is just really functioning properly, and everything here tonight. That's kind of interesting. Musk. I guess we gotta go to Dex Tools. Well, okay. I know what it is. I can't get out of this screen. There we go. There's the thing. Yeah, we're gonna pull on Degen. We're on Dex Tools. We're going to take a look at Musk. Is this against Solana? I want to really do it against a dollar, but it's what it looks like against. We're going to go to 4 hour. We've got some nice little mega ponies going off right now. And if you're near the bottoms of them, it's pretty good. If you're kind of stuck in the middle, up too far from the trend line, yeah, it starts getting risky. It can come up and touch the top of this trend line again. It doesn't have to. It could start stalling off anywhere around the top of this one. So we want to keep that in mind. But as long as she respects this, no, she can respect this one too. It can be a fun ride. You can make some good gains. That's what I'm trying to say. We get some pumps right now on some of these things. We're looking on smaller time frames. If we see something like this on a 4 hour, we know that we might be in a little pump season. It's already started. It might be a pullback, or it might carry on, but something good could be happening here over the next, I don't know, day or two. They may be trying to pump us up on the weekends, get us excited, get us to buy and not take profits, and then slam us down in the middle of the week, and then really pump off. You don't know, but do you feel like that happened last week? Gotta happen last week, didn't it? They're good at it. They're good at their game to play. We just got to play with it, make sure we get paid in the process. And then when we solidify our final pullback for Bitcoin, when we solidify it, it's not solidified just yet. We're still choppy. And when we confirm it, then we can talk about going in maybe heavy in our longer term bags. So I like what I'm seeing there for Musk. Waffles. Took a little play on waffles. Waffles is still hanging in a little range here. Now they're why, man? Don't switch up on me. What happened here? Okay, you expanded out. Oh, look at that. Well, that's a shame. Where were you up at to, Waffles? Back in July, Waffles hit 3 cents, 3.8 cents. She's at 1.3 cents right now. Can she make it back? I dare to say that I think that Waffles could make it back there. I believe Waffles has it in her to make it back there. I hope Waffles make it back there, or otherwise I just blew my little wad of money on Waffles. Where's the chicken and waffles going? That would be good. I like chicken and waffle. Still an accumulation to me. Nice little 3 setup with a round scallop setup. You can count this one too. A little 4 roundies. 4 roundies going on there. It's twins, ladies and gentlemen. Twins. If you ever wanted to do twins and waffles, right here's your chance right now. Twins and waffles. We've got a little triangle pattern, and she's not a symmetrical triangle. She's a wedge, definitely a wedge, but she's more, can't call it a symmetrical wedge. Not my definition, but maybe you're not blown up enough. kind of rangy, but a breakout from this could be nice. And this is where it starts getting subjective, and it's like, no, it's a ascending triangle, this is flat, man, and you know, you got to kind of, I would stick to the candle bodies and whatever time frame you're on. It is a little flat. From what I can see, it can be. So if it is one of these burgers, it's got a 53% chance to break to the upside. You'd be looking around this area at 2 cents for profit on that little guy. Take a measure move. So are we going to do the measure move? Don't have to, but I'm going to. Okay. Whee! Just for anybody that doesn't know, oh man, that's a cool trick. How's that work? Fib strategies, I'm going to be looking at that 382 Fibonacci anyway, so boom, there we go. I'm just going to do I'll do the fib. 0.02 cents. What can that be from where we are right now for you Degen front runners? That is 57%. Makes me want to come over here. Let's go to let's see, go trade. What do you have over here to choose from to trade? Do you have any good Degen coins over here? This is copy trading. And I'll show you how weird this is. I don't know if you guys have ever seen, this is FairDesk exchange, which is getting ready to close, at least for US students. I think they're still going to be open worldwide. I don't think they're closing down. They just ain't going to mess with us anymore. But anyway, so I've got some funds over here, and I want to see if there's any good setups that we got. But I can take advantage of while we're getting these little pumps. And I see nothing meme related over here, and that kind of sucks because we were kind of doing some meme stuff. But it operates weird. You just got a one shot. You can't trade. It's not like a normal trade over here. And that's one reason why you didn't see me doing very much with it. You got Pith. I can't. There's a Bonk. Bonk's a meme. Let's do something with Bonk. Oh, Bonk sucks right now. What are you doing on the? Oh, you're on the 15. We're looking at Bonk over here as a meme coin. Is there a play? Here's the 1 hour. Oh, look, a cup and handy to the upside. So drunkies around to the upside. Not my words, but what I'm looking at is the breakout of this, and this higher. That technically, actually, you might actually have something there. Although a cup and handle is not really a bottoming pattern that we look for, it's really a continuation pattern. By some teachers, ooh, you got a double bottom scenario there. I think I'm going to go. I don't know how many X's can I get here. Isolated 15X. That's a bit much for a meme coin. I know they're just going to go crazy. Well, I'm not going to go liquidated crazy. We'll see what this gets us. But I only get one shot. This is how it works over here. I can't do anything. I can't add to it. It's not like that kind of leverage, and that's what you're used to trading when you're doing leverage, right? This is like trading spot, but with leverage, with the bad part of leverage, and not with the good part where you get to tweak things and control your risk. It's like, no, you better hope you got it. 21090. Let's go balls to the wall. What's balls to the wall? Well, for this account, it's only got $800, so I'm gonna put an order there. 114 on a meme coin. And my little Degen's is dying to get in, but I'm looking, yo, man, look at that trend line. You just broke it, man. You know you're coming down cheaper. And he's like, shut up, just jump in now. And I'm like, but bro, man, you can get a discount. And he's like, screw you, road dog. This is supposed to be a Degen show. Jump in now or you ain't treated your word. And that's how they work on you right there and just make you want to do stupid shit. So you got to control him just a little bit. I don't know. Here, you can have. Oh, I gave you more than what you deserved right there. See how sneaky he is? See him change that number from $10 to 50? Yeah, that was probably stupid. Anyway, no stop losses. We're going bounce to the wall. This is money I can afford. I don't even know if I'll even get this money out. Because with the copy trading thing, I think some of this might be considered their money. So hey, let's see if we can make them some more money. You can look at that as a falling wedge or just the sitting wedge that we were talking about before. It doesn't matter because you got the breakout. If we can take the measure move, that'd be cool. We'll just take the measure move from here. I go straight down, and I don't touch this thing. I don't believe him over. I don't say, oh, no, that's a measure move. I want to pay attention to the measure of that move. So hopefully I can come to a very more accurate place of where to sell this sucker. At what is that, 27? So I'm going to do that. I'm going to set my take profits. I'll let this sucker run for months because that's why there's still money over here. Trigger condition, where are you? Have you changed stuff? Limit? Oh, there were. They changed stuff. Okay. This is not as user friendly as it was before. Open positions right here. Here we go. There we go. That's what I'm looking at. Oh, look, we're 60 fastest 74 cents you've ever made in your life, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. We're booking, baby. We need to go to the one minute chart on what is this bonk? The 1 minute bonk chart. It's probably a bearish retest of that trend line, you little freaking Degen. Told you not to do. Oh, you're up $1.51, and you only on 5x leverage. So 1,000. I don't know. I was going to say a stop loss, but hell, I'm feeling like, oh, screw it, just balls it up tonight. I was going to set a target for my targets because I'm probably going to forget about this trade, to be honest with you. 0.0755. We'll check in on this little guy. 0.075. Of course, tape. Learn how to work this. I haven't used this exchange in a long time. What was it again? Short-term memory loss. Gummies. That's not very much, man. Well, that would make me 3,000. That's 27. Yeah, that sounds good. Go to 27 cents. Maybe 20. Maybe 2,000. What was that? $2,000. I like that. 142% on the 5x. That sounds crazy. Did I screw that up? Did I put the wrong numbers in? Short. That's what we're riding with. Is that what I had? Yeah, 273. Okay, do it. It's just a little higher than where we were before, just a few hours ago. So, you know, if she's really doing this, it shouldn't be no problems. Let's rock and roll. Let's put some. I'm at the fastest $2 you've ever seen in your life right there. What, you got any more meme coins or anything? Because I'm just doing meme coins right now. Totally Degen tonight. Still just 7 people. 7 hardcore people. Let's go back to the chat real quick. Make sure I'm not boring you to tears, man. So let's screw your meme coins. Realm Train saying being able to find ENS domains on Google search was interesting. That one is, yeah. It makes me take that off the chopping block. I think that's a good one, a good longer term kind of safe play to go with, but there might be some nice. That one has a real product use case. I don't know how that'll be valued in the market, especially compared to meme coins, which are just taking the spotlight. But yeah, that's hurt my ears up there too. Might want to take a look at that one real quick before we get back to the degenerate mode. Let's see if that price is affecting the news on ENS Not really, has it? That's been out for a couple of days, and now it's above the 9-moving average on the daily. So, ooh, juicy spot. It's at a bottom, no matter how you look at it. Could that bottom go lower? Yeah, but it's, oh man. Let me clear this out so we can see. And there's still some, you know, it's got stuff it's got to work through. It's not like it's going to blast off tomorrow and that was the news. It's just going to make a change and it's up only from here. It's nothing like that. And I'm going to go from just get us our trend line from body to body. Wick comes right in that area, and we've not yet touched this. And we might come down and touch that trend line. It's good if we don't. It's actually a little bit more bullish if we don't. It's kind of bullish that we just wicked down there and didn't do it. I think you'll have a little time to, I think a DCA strategy would be good. I see a lot of stuff going on over here at $18. That's going to be a tricky area for her to get past if she does. That's kind of some bearish stuff going on right there. So, but is it to get a starting position or to nibble in DCA? Yeah, I think good, because what better place? You're down here at the bottom of the trend line, bottom moving averages and everything here on the daily. It looks interesting to me. These lines haven't crossed. Looks like it wants to turn around. That's front running a lot, but it just makes sense that we are in a channel and that this is the bottom of a channel and the price likes to go back after being at the bottom of the channel. It likes to go back to the top of the channel, which is more around $32. So that would be a nice little come up. And if this one's really taken off and get some use cases, maybe we can see these areas at $50 and $80. This one, I like what we got going on here. It looks like it would be a good one to DCA into and to, you know, to accumulate slowly. That's waffles. That's not where we were, was it? I thought we did something else besides waffles. Why I'd be confused? I did it on Coinbase. I did it here, didn't I? No, it was on the exchange. That's where it was. Shh. Lordy mercy. I was trying to see what they got over here that's for trading right now, so I can blow this count up. YFI. Oh, I'm so disappointed in that coin. Rune, I don't know that it's your time to bust up, Rune. You're not really the buster at the moment, Rune. You're not really the one that's... Some of these altcoins I've noticed have been at some resistance areas, so some of them may not be the ones that are going to be getting all the attention, at least this weekend. I hate that formation. I hate drawing that. I always like to do something more relevant. I see. I mean, I would be looking at this in a partial decline. I'm not seeing anything that makes me want to jump in for you right now yet, Ryan, though. Something's going to pop off. I want to pop off coin. How about Swee? What are you doing, Swee? You're starting to get over, regaining some ground here. Are you getting ready to do something this weekend? Because I was waiting for you to go back to about 140, 145. I feel like I don't have all the things over here. I see more coming in on... Okay, there we go. It caught up with my tablet. I also try to keep an eye on chat with my tablet over here. Sweet. Oh, that would... This is how you buy the tops, people. I mean, maybe she'll go. Maybe she'll come down. And... That's not the trade for tonight, to see number go up. I'm looking for a number go up trade, and I think Near's good. And Near's undervalued right now, in my personal opinion. And it looks like a retest of a break. Yeah, that's the kind of things I'm looking for right now. Looks like we got a possible retest on the breakout going on. This is on the daily? Oh, crap. I was wanting something a little bit more timely. Let's see what you look like over here. That means you could have already lost levels and everything near. What? Double bottom possible, maybe. Could come down lower. Sucks. Checking my bottom trend lines here, see if I got anything worth looking at. Are you above or below? Well, there you are, magical trend line. Are you above or below it? Did you park it there, man? Park it there. Sometimes you gotta talk nasty to. Oh, are you above it or below it? Park it. I think you're below it. I think you are below it. Yeah, there we go. We lined you up. Oh, you below it, baby. You below it. You ain't doing it. You might have a short-term short going on right there. I ain't gonna get caught up in that. I'm trying to find a number go up. Give me bonk. Bonk is already up. It's only up 13 cents. Bonk is dying on me. It's going to 0, 9 cents. Oh God. Oh God, I fear the pain. Oh, we'll jump out now. Screw it. Oh no. Well, FairDesk, you got crappy, oh, not crappy coins. No, you just don't have a huge selection of things to choose from in which to copy trade, which was another reason why. But you got some things that are going up. What's going on? Say's doing pretty good. Say's making some gains. What are you doing, Say? You got to trade for me? That is risky as all get out. Yeah, double bottom, flagging out. Might go good, might not go good. Look, I'm already losing on my things. Are you coming down? What are you doing? I'm not seeing, if you were down here and I caught you right now, I'd be in it. Right now, she looks like she can come down and take a serious look at her life and think about things. And I don't know that I want to short you right now because 4 hour looks kind of, on some of these altcoins, looking kind of good, right? Except for you look horrible. Let's see what we got. Okay, I'll take it. She is, it could be a bearish retest of this line. I'll take her down. Where are you going to, plan out a trade here because I don't want to have to come back. I'm going to forget about this. I know I am. Swing high, swing low to swing high. Tell me where I need to buy. I can get her down to here safely. 42, that's not very much, man. 44 to 42. Well, let's crank up that lamp. I just got 15x. I can't do it. Yeah, let's do it. That's 15. Screw it. You only live once, man. You can do a smaller amount. You can do like a 40 bucks. Lets me use less and get more. Boom! Shorten. Suede. Squeeze. Say not. And let me put up my stop losses and what notches. I think you forgot what they were. I'm just going to target. I would normally do the 618, but I still think we're kind of bullish. Even though we lost that, this one's kind of a. I'm just going to go for 42. Oh crap, you're already up. Quickest 21 new cents you made today. One of these days I'll figure out how to, there we go. 42 cents, right? Yeah, that would be 76% because I'm using crazy leverage. I mean, it's crazy for me on an altcoin. 15% on an altcoin. And it could make me $32. My stop loss would be 45, which would kill me for 10. You suck. Where are we at right now? 44.2. I'm stingy. If you're gonna do it, you're gonna do it. I can't see what I got back there. That ain't you. I'll go with a $7 loss there. Not really liking it. Screw it, I don't even want to do that. I want to go 350. I'm going to 445. It's going to work. It's going to work, right? Right. You're on the 4 hour. I should have zoomed in on that. Since we're doing. Excuse me. All right, so we got T trades going on. We got stop loss. Oh man, okay, yeah, I can see it better here. This is what I do like about FairDesk is that you can adjust your stop losses and everything. Probably see it on MEXC. You can do that over there too. So I can just usually grab this thing without it taking the whole screen with it. On most cases, sometimes. Jeez, come on, dude. Every time I try to show you how you work, if I click it and pull it, it normally works. All right, you're pissing me off. That's my stop loss. Trying to get my screw it. Anyway, my take profit. Can I move it? I think it's because my fibs are on there. Let's get the fibs off. I think that's what it is. So if I want to make me look like an idiot and do it when everybody else is not watching, you suck. All right. Road Dog's a liar. It doesn't move. I swear. Maybe it doesn't on the. Oh. Well, it should. It should do it here. Maybe it's only on futures and doesn't do it on copy trade. I don't know. That's kind of weird. Look, I'm up 57 cents. Picking out my Lambo colors. What else we got over here? I need something else. Give me another trade set up. Let's get. There's Gala. Will that do anything? I'm looking in these green bar. What's up percentage wise? What's Aptos is doing something? What are you doing, Aptos? What you got? Oh, why are you looking so bad? Why are you looking so sad on the 15 minute? You coming down too? I don't think you got your 3 humps, do ya? All right, well, they're breaking trend lines, and so I've got there's that one with a retest, and now we've extended over here. We broke that one. I'm going for it on you. Let me set you up. Let's see what. Oh, nice. Oh, hell yeah. Jump in, ask questions later. Where's this Degen stream? Oh, $70. Are you crazy? Oh, snap. Well, we just went Degen for for Aptos. $72. You're going to lose your ass. Thank you, Sean. Look at that. Oh, look, she broke that one too. I'm cool with that. I like that too. Let's throw it. Let's make it happen. Let's find better filler material to keep the air from going solid. Well, when one goes down, the other one goes up. That's crazy. Bonk is going to the upside. My shorts are screwing me. So, oh. The good old Bonk. Did you? Yeah, I did. I changed my leverage on Bonk. Right, 5x. Right. Alrighty. I'm looking for this thing to roll over and then come down. Oh yeah, it says set or profit. Yeah, so I can not have to worry about this one. Do anything stupid. This is stupid enough what I'm doing, but hey, we're doing it. I've got a good chance since we broke a trend line to do something. And I'm going with kind of shallow targets here too. I'm going with 828. On which one was it? Aptos 828. It's not very much, but I'm using 20x leverage on it, so that's pretty good. Yeah. That would give me 36% profit with $26. I'll take it. And I might move this around if it will let me some other time. Sam says JT on big time. Big time I thought was over here. I don't think it is. No. They don't have either one of those. What was that? They don't have either one of those. Oh, I got stopped out on... I got stopped out on... Which was it? Say? Did I have a stop loss on that? Because I don't think I got a stop loss on some of these other guys, and I probably should. Gosh darn it. Is there on Aptos? My stop loss is 855. So, stop losses 855, and I would. What? That's crazy. Oh yeah, we use 20x leverage. No wonder I had a tight stop loss. Hell yeah. Oh man, that's not good. That's too long. I didn't plan that one out as well, did I? For that kind of a leverage. You went full on stupid Degen. Hey, this is a Degen show. Just saying. Screw it. It's $8 out of what? 7? Oh, that's about 10%. Yeah. We can do that. stick with my original. Oh, that's $20. I ain't doing that. Well, that's my fault. I'm going to take it. I'm going to take that 15%er right up here and hope she don't get hit. Can you move it? It would be really cool if you would let me move it. I would like to move it, please. I like the way you move it. You normally let me move it. How's the old futures trade going? The old futures trade, my Bitcoin short, and I'm up 4 cents on this little sucker. Woohoo! Am I on the 5? I'm on the 5-minute time frame here. I gotta watch her now. She might be flipping on me. To flipping on me, I'm gonna flip with her. Flip with me, baby. Flipping with me, baby. Come on, you used to have a reverse button, right? You don't? No reverse button here. Can I go both ways? I thought I tried that before. We're not talking about. Can we hedge here? I can't remember. I think we can. If we can hedge, we get a breakout. Come on, baby, break out. All right, you're boring me to tears here. We'll come back to you. Oh no, did you? And then, oh look, I'm up $1 on Bump, and I'm down $5 on Aptos. Thank you, Aptos. Aptos is getting me. What am I doing? I'm shorting Aptos, right? You look like you. Oh, we're not on Aptos. This is Aptos. I forget you got to click on them before they change the screens. Aptos, what you doing, man? 3.8. I'm only okay. You coming down? You needs to be coming down. You got too high. You're too high. You need to chill out. Have you got an angle for me? I don't see a good angle there. I'll even use you. No, I won't. I'll stick with this one. We're still okay. I don't have a good stop loss. Might want to lower that stop loss. Put it right above these candles. I'm trying to get a tight stop loss. I gives you a few more minutes, Aptosis. AVAX, you working on something? AVAX already had his run. What are you doing? I see curvaceousness going on here. There's some curvaceous. Oh wow! Look at this. Is okay. That looks better when you get the rest of the chart. 15-minute. You breaking out? I got some ointment for you. Looks like we got a bit of a breakout. She's up too high for me to get in. Too far away from my trend line, but I'll pull back to these areas. It'll be interesting. On the 1 hour, not interested. Why, you might ask? And if you connect these two lines together, it tells you we're at resistance. For a channel, which might break to the downside. Not interested in that one. Not interested in Polkadot. I'm about done with Polkadot. BNB might be cool. You're on the 1 hour. You look like you're trying to do some stuff. You look like you're trying to go for a bearish retest of a trend line. How close are you? Oh man, you're out right there. You gonna break up through it though? You feel like being Degen-y? I don't think that would be. What do we got here on the daily? That works. Let's translate that over to a smaller time frame, such as the 4 hour. Trend line. Support resistance flip. I like that. We got a little ways to go. Oh, that's enough to make some money on it. Let's do it. Let's look at it closer, in other words. Resist. Oh, that's a wild one. So if I were looking at this as a local pattern within this channel, I would see this guy and say, hell yeah, that was a partial decline. Let's rock and roll. We're going, oh, hey, let's crank her up 25x. I'm jumping in, boys. I'm on the 4. Oh, wait a minute, we're on the 4 hour. Don't get too excited. Come down to the one. Let's look at the 15-minute. Make sure we're making. Oh, she's getting ready to do something now, I think. Or coming down, up or down. If she goes up, it's going to be a nice strong move. Let's do it. Oh, I'm going to go harder on this one. $200 on that one. Do it. $200 at 25x. Let's see what we get. Stop losses would need to be below here, but we're 20x though, dude. Come on. Oh, you so lucky. You're so lucky by the skin of your teeth if that's above that. Yeah, let's do it. See, a flag above that trend line there has a good chance of breaking up, in my personal opinion. There's a little wiggle room that I don't really want to have to use, but now the flag's forming beyond this, I would be more suspect too, but when it's trying to do there, I'll degen in on that. I can put a side, actually for this idea, I can put a stop loss right here. Was that one? Oh man, are we just within $1 or something here? Crazy. Oh hell yeah. Support resistance flip here. Tight stop loss, increase my risk reward ratio. I'll do it. My stop loss will be really tiny on this one. I'm going to give you just a little extra. I'm going to go 573. Whoa, $34? I'm just, if I put my stop loss $3 down, you're going to take $34 and 17% of this trade. Something doesn't sound right there. Is it 574? Does that sound kind of weird to you guys? 12% loss on that. When my entry at 576? If I go $1 below it, I still lose $16. If I go 93 cents below it, I lose $8. What up with that? Yeah, now I gotta watch you on the 1 minute. See what you want to do. You want to take my money? You made a lower low there. I'm looking at you all suspect now, B&B. I was liking you until you try and change these terms on me. What? What? That's a lot to lose for just a dollar on that with that. That's how that leverage kind of, they sneak you in. Fastest $2 I've lost all day today. But you made me lose no money. I got my eye on you. What's my liquidation? My liquidation. Oh wow, man. B&B 25x leverage is not the smartest move right there. See, I told you that was going to happen. I told you to the penny. I told you to the time, to the second. That's for the algorithm, folks. Really, I was sitting here saying, that's kind of a dumb move you did, putting that much money on that big of X for what you got in this account. That was kind of a stupid move. It's just not spanking you right now. But look, if you'd done exactly what, who here is up 50 cents like I am. Who here is only down 69 cents like I am? All right. I don't have any stop losses or anything set. That's why we're hanging out here. Is this boring, people? Should we just move on and do altcoin analysis and all that good kind of stuff? Good Brown Gravy says, traded on my dot. I'm having these conversations with myself, just making sure, but dot has been hanging at this same price. I mean, I've been in this dot bag for 2 years. I'm tired of this. So I can't. So if they're going to tire us out, I mean, it's about to work on me because I'm not seeing the narratives and everything that's making me have confidence that Dot's going to be a solid performer. And right now, I'm wanting some solid performers. So I'm right there with you, questioning Dot, but we don't want to look back, after Dot goes to $150 and say, they got me. But I can't see it going to $180 for real. I don't see them doing anything. They're not doing enough. I'm not seeing enough attention there. I'm not seeing. Oh, okay. I need a stop loss here. How much was my stop loss? It's like $30 or something. That's better than losing $200. So I'm going to go 270 for my stop loss, right? 200 for BNB. Oh. 570, and no wonder you're looking at me crazy. $60? Are you? That's $6 away. $6 away. What the hell? I'm not happy about it. My stop loss is way down here. Oh hell! And you won't let me move it? Well, you suck. We tried this before, remember? Oh, I'm on the 1 minute. That's why it looks so far down there, because I zoomed in on the 1 minute. That's actually a reasonable place to put it. So, but I'm trading this trend line. If I really wanted to do it, I would have shown there. Because she's got a good chance. She does have a good chance. She can break down. I think we're going to change that real quick. Well, I'm trading. You clicked it. $575 too. Oh, you're just going to come in and clear them all out. We got a lot of. I'm going to let her ride. Let her ride. Screw it. You only live once, right? Degen trading. Let's do it. Let her ride. Let her ride. We'll take that stop loss. Altcoins total 3. Look like they can get a little bit of a pump here on the 4 hour. That's the daily. That's not the 4 hour. Total 3 seems to be kind of green here right now. On the 4 hour right now, total 3. Still coming up against a little resistance, so I'm not expecting a whole lot from these altcoins right now, but we could be pleasantly surprised. We did get, this was what I like about total 3 in this 4 hour, is that this 50 moving average is doing a U-turn. It came kamikaze down, going to bearish across over that 200, didn't do it. We got a U-turn on that little sucker. There's not much more. How can you be more bullish than that? It just diverted the death cross. I mean, it was going right at us, and it just said, "Oh, my bad, wrong person," and it's starting to go the other way. All these other moving averages are starting to get bullish and crossover too. So we're getting some more momentum behind us, and so maybe we can overtake this 100 moving average area. Maybe we'll see a little bit more of a pump out of altcoins this weekend. That would be nice. Or maybe they're just setting us up to stomp us down over the next week. I'm seeing what else might be poking up. I'm looking for a meme coin to start looking at. Moonding has been doing something. Let's look at Moonding. She's been coming down, but is she at a good place to get into Moonding? I'm on this weird ass thing that won't let me do anything. There we go. Moonding. I'm doing the one on Solana, I believe, right? That's this one. That's not even that. That's not even you, is it? I got this one. I feel I'm in a suspect coin here now. Makes me think, it's got suspect price action in my Moonding. Good thing I only got just a few bucks in there, but I don't think that's the right one. I think I've been had. Did we look at Tucker? Tucker Carlson. I like this one. This is the 4-hour. What are you doing? She had her rise and fall. Zoom out a little bit here. Nice. Still in the bottom. Okay, we're doing good. Tucker's not popping right now, and I don't see a sign that says that she's going to start anytime right now. Maybe though, if you want to treat this as I mean, that's steep megaphone pattern, but the rule of the game is you're looking for the partial decline here, and it looks like we're on the start of it. So I would keep an eye on this. Might be leveling off to start getting to a breakout over here. Other people might see this, oh, she's leveling out at a level of support and doing a double bottom. You can look at that way too. But if you're looking at a pattern, that might be one thing that you might not see that would be worth looking at. Fibonacci wise, we're getting a pull back at the usual places. An 886, kind of steep, so I do need to see her get above a 618 Fibonacci pull here. If she doesn't, then I would be definitely looking for more down. That Fibonacci would be right around this trend line here, so she might get some more up there. 0.0022. Let's go do it. I have got nothing going on in our chat. Chat rate is like at 0, so well, that might be a sign to wind this little stream down. Let's turn back here to the FairDesk and see how we're faring on FairDesk. And I got stopped out on one of them. Was it Aptos? What do you do, Aptos? Oh, you can't do it that way. I think it was Aptos. Oh man, BNB is the one that was really going to hurt, though, right? Yeah, I think so. Aptos, you look like you're trying to do something, though, aren't you? We were shorting it, right? I can't remember. I'm on the 1 minute right now. This is too zoomed in. You've got to zoom out. Breathe. Well, she decided to break back above my little line, my little area. Not the best place to enter. Well, I mean, I was shorting. It's not the worst place to short, but not thinking I obviously didn't too much leverage on it with a tight stop loss. She's trying to flag out here, but she's below the hat. I don't trust it for that. I can see it coming up, maybe 860, something like that. I'm not going to play that little guy. I'll let these guys play out. Let's see, we got our take profits set. Except for I thought we set it on Bonk. Yeah, we did. I don't have a take profit on BNB. Chris says, dropping and listening. Hey, how's it going, Chris? Well, maybe the music will be entertaining. I don't know what I've got to share right now. Has got anything entertaining? I'm just doing some trading. Trying to find a good pair here. Why did I do? I got the search thing going. Okay. Are we slowing down tonight on our meme coins or all of our coins on the hour? We're getting a pullback. Market pullback. I guess we got to take a look at Bitcoin and see what Bitcoin is doing. How's the market feeling? She's getting a red candle there. No, here. 62,555 on Bitcoin. Well, how was our thought we had a short coin on, right? On futures. The Bitcoin short ups. Oh wow, man. Woo! 7 whole cents there. I'm gonna add a little bit to this. There's not very much in this whole account. I should probably do one over on the why didn't I do it over there on copy trading, or did I? I got more money over there. Why aren't you doing that? Let's trade Bitcoin over here. Because because I got leverage over here. I got everything over here. Money that I don't care if I'm losing or not. I can't get the line. On a 15-minute. Did our 4 hour look good though? Our daily, I mean, we got a green dot on our daily, right? That's what we talked about first. Yeah, I'm sitting here looking at short, so they have to be short term. So I need to know exactly what I'm doing if I want to do it. Possible bearish retested that idea. You got some divergence going on though. I mean, it looks like you can. To me, I think we can overtake this little sucker. I just do. So I'm trying to figure out: are you sure you're wanting to go short? And so why am I shorting? Well, here on the 1 hour, that's what we need to see. I think we might have our signal for a, okay, here on the 1 hour. Yeah, okay. So I can get a short-term short, and this means not going down very long, so we can make a play for that. I'm good with that. Let's do that. I will take it to a shallow. If we go down to 60, yeah, I think you can go down to 61.3, but 61.7 from where we are. We're at 62.5 and 62.3 is where I would go short term. I know you can get a good target there. But 61.7 for what I'll do over here. Yeah, that sounds good. Balls to the wall, maybe. What does that mean? 25x, baby. Woohoo! Bitcoin short. That's only $132. Okay. Oh. Oh, you didn't take, man. How many open orders I got over here? Got another long on Bonk. Don't know what that's about. Can't add to that position, so that doesn't make any sense. Try this one more time here. There we go. We got you now. Already forgot my game plan. That's beautiful. To the 382-61-738 is what I want to go with. 61-738. 31%, $42 I'd make out of that. Oh, that's nice. I can risk about $6 there. The stop loss is 62,658. That will definitely invalidate my idea if we go up there. That's pretty sweet. Risk $6 to make 48. I like that idea. Oh. Yeah, baby. And that is pretty much the price we broke out of. We could retest that area, technically. Maybe I'm a little tight on it. I could, yeah, but screw it. I'm gonna let it go. So, not exciting at all. 26 cents up and down $1 and down 27 cents. So, just so exciting. Striga says Bitcoin did a good range. Man, my chart is all messed up. You found the... Well, that's cleaner. I'm craving apple water. I don't know why, but I am. I'm like, that would taste really good right now. Well, I guess it depends on what you're, if you're looking at overall and everything. That's been a hell of a range. That's been a, man. This has been a tiring range on the overall thing, but I do like in the overall view we got a higher high, and this could possibly be this is a big thing. I mean, if you guys been hearing me talk about this, my big thing I'm looking for is a 382 Fibonacci bounce from that area, and that's this line here. If I'm not, or we need to just spell this out again. Mostly from this leg here is what I'm looking for. If we get a 382 bounce, or if we hold that Fibonacci, and yeah, we reclaimed it. That wasn't it exactly, but we reclaimed it. We did below it, and that's okay because we did the same thing. Where was it? On another move, and we kind of flubbed around with it a little bit. Oh, it's the same place where I got my little measure move thing, but yeah, when we're above it now, so that means that 382 is holding, and that can lead to a bigger, strong move up. Now, couple that with the other trading strategy that we talk about, which is if you got a bearish pattern like this, which is a channel, we got our trend line here, touching the tops, and then we just carried it over to the bottoms over here, and we figured out where our bottoms are. But it should break to the downside, and it did. And now we came back into that pattern, and that's where one of my mentors says, this is where I just go balls to the wall, crazy, head on, just heavy. And it usually gives you a nice strong pump toward the top of the channel. So those two strategies overlapping right now for bullish. I think all this, there's some good, really strong. This is big. This could be a nice move. On this is a 4-hour chart. If you're pattern, still pattern trading, this is within pattern trading, but if you're also doing it with trend lines, you know, we got a breakout with a possible flag above it. Kind of bullish right now. Why am I shorting? Dude, why are you shorting? Crap. I just shorted Bitcoin, didn't I? Hell yeah. After I saw that, I can't. This was supposed to be a short-term short, though. I can go long at the same time. I can go, yeah, we got that one set up probably less than $5. I'm going long too. I'm schlonging. We're schlonging. And I'm just going balls to the wall. From what I saw on the 4-hour, I just want something in because I'm getting ready to end the stream anyway. This is the money I can throw away. I'm go all the way. You didn't even plan it out, Road Dog. All right, just so we won't be giving out, you know, what is it? Bad practices. Really, this is against me on the 15-minute for me to do it here. She'll probably pull back and I can get a better entry for real. But, you know, because I saw that I'm planning this on the bigger time frame. So I need to zoom out for this one. Did it on the 4-hour. So outlined my game plan here on the 4-hour, and it looks a lot different than what I had there. But see, we broke this, but we're getting above it, right? So I gotta have this guy. See, really buying in the middle of this channel is no bueno, no bueno. So I can't go as high leverage as I want to because it won't give me a good risk to reward ratio. Oh, sucks. Let's figure this out. Let's go through it for anybody with that wants to know the nerdy details. I can't find the tools. Where's Joe when you need it? Joe? Right there it is. No, it's not. No, it's not. You're losing them. Lock the door, Helen. Don't let them leave. There you are. Gosh. See, that's oh man, go below my trend line. Go below the last one. That's a 6% stop loss. That's a lot when you got leverage. Can't do that. Risk reward ratio 1-8. Crap, I don't have anything here. My only hope is to catch it down here. Sorry, can't let the Degen out tonight on that one. Can't do it. That just goes against all my rules and everything. I can't do it. So I anticipate that she can lose this trend line. Maybe one more hump and then break it, but I have to keep an eye on her. Stop losses are in place for this other stuff, though. I'm going to let my short, I guess, play out. I got stop loss. And oh, look, I'm up $3. Yay! I feel richer already. By the way, actually, I'm grateful for every penny that I get, to be honest with you. Guys, thanks for hanging out with me. And for, I don't know, we just kind of not, it did not rain down money on these trades. Gosh darn it, I should be putting $2,000 trades in there so I can make $50 and make it look impressive, but I'm doing something more reasonable like $50, $200 there. The leverage is still kind of crazy. Thanks right now, guys. See you later. I'm going to go drink some apple water.
Come on, come here, bud. Come on.
Holy crap, that was an hour and a half? Bless your heart for sitting in here.
I don't need to analyze. Every word that comes out is a lie. Make
Heath
you
looks like he wants to do something. Oh man, I should have looked at that.
You won't make it to the finish line. Now, if you gotta know the truth was gonna let you go.
Rumors about a bunch of Ethereum being moved to the, I mean, there's articles about that say there's a bunch of Ethereum being moved to the exchanges.
You will stop, blow it up.
I think I posted over in the group.
In the nighttime, hit my hotline. Sharing secrets, you wish really was
Good night, everybody. Good night, John boy.
basic bullshit.